Alright, hello. I'm just going to show you Adobe Media Encoder today. So when you first open Adobe Media Encoder, you see this pretty much blank screen. So we're going to add a project to it, a quick video. It's promo. It's a 30-second video. So when I add it there, I can just do what I did, or I can hit add, either or. Doesn't really matter. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is do a preset, or I can create my own. I have created my own here, but we can do a web large, web medium, edit export settings, anything like that. So to create a preset, we're going to do this. Click on that, and what we're going to do, we can have a comment here. We want to call it, whenever I create a preset, I start with a regular web file that's already there, then adjust it. And then we're going to just do that and call comments. So let's just change this to 360 by 220. We're going to change this to 320 because a lot of web files are 320, and we have this linked file on here, so it makes the file proportional. So that's fine here. Or we just highlight and hit 320, and it goes away. Okay, so let's go back here onto custom. And there we go. Comments custom. So we'll just call it chips preset test. Alrighty, and we'll just hit this button right here. Save. Save preset. And it names it chips preset test. Alright. And actually I don't need the comments here. The comments I can just say you know, 320 web file, whatever you want to name it. It doesn't really matter. Alright, let's take the S off of there. I'm just being here. Alrighty, so 320 by 234. We like that codec. I don't really use a Source and Spark. The On2 VP6 is really good. Frame rate same as Source. And then I'm going to do a variable bit rate, but I'm going to dumb it down because 600 is a lot. But I like it, so we're going to dumb it down probably to about, I'm going to put it at 400. Alright, hit enter. And when I enter, it goes back. Okay, so 2 megs of file size. You can have cue points here. I don't really use those. I'm going to show you why. But you have in and out points here. Set an endpoint, set an out point. Zoom level if I want to view them at 75%. If I want to view it 10%. So I'm just going to go back to fit. Okay, and then I don't like I said, mess with the cue points. And then bitrate quality good. And I go from there. So 2 meg file, custom, then output file. I want it to save to my desktop. I can rename it something else. It's a FLV. Hit that, and then I'm going to hit start queue. And then you'll see it encode very quickly. And once it finishes encoding, you will see that it will come up right as FLV from an MOV, a 30-second promo. And 30 seconds, I had some black in there. So we will see how it looks as soon as it finishes rendering that. Okay, so there it is. Here it is on my desktop. And we'll go from here. And then we'll just open it and we'll play it either. Let's see if it plays in QuickTime. Let's see. There it is. It'll play in QuickTime for me. We'll move it right over here.
Do you face
So there it is right there. Okay, so it's playing right here, and if we look here to get info, it's 1.9 megs, so right at 2 megs. So here's a quick tutorial on F4V. I will send an F4V. I usually don't use it, but from this Flash blog, I found that this is from February 2009. So the F4V is basically it's Adobe's wrapper for H.264 video. I'm not a real fan of it, but I mean it is what it is. So the cue points and things like that. So I do more FLV and I go from there. So I think that's it. How to do an Adobe Media Encode for FLV 320 by 239 and 240.